I found this old book. It was staying on my fridge. I don't know how it ended there, but it's quite old. It's from 65, Kidnapped. It's called Kidnapped by Robert Louis Stevenson. You can see was Harper Classics. It cost it was sold for 75 cents. And let's see what's about. A story of excitement, intrigue, desperate fighting, and always narrow escapes. Praising the great superiority of the book, Henry James declared that Kidnapped provide a deep enjoyment for young readers. I believe it's an adventure book for kids. My mother during the communist occupation, she was an English teacher, and I'm not sure how he. I believe from the West Europe or from America, they were sending these books here in Romania to promote English. Enjoyment for young readers, and I know a few better examples of the way genius has ever surprised in this book. As James said, I believe it's a kid's book, but I'm not sure. Juvara or some our brain said the brain needs diversity. You need to read easy stuff like this, uh, books for kids and Freud. You get the idea.